My name is Dr. Arshi Jamal. I'm an assistant professor at School of Management Commerce, Mangalam University. I attended a 3-day design thinking workshop organized by the Mangalam Incubation Center. So on day 1, the trainer Mr. Prathamesh taught us the art of using 3D printing technique, and he created one of the keychain of Mangalam logo. That was very fascinating to learn this art because being a non-technical background, we learned something very new. On day 2, we learned the art of creating an app, which was a mobile app of fitness. We created, and that was very functional app. On day 3rd, we learned the creativity of Internet of Things. Here we learned the use of Onshape App, which helped us in creating a laser drawing and articulate it and use it in the form of a printed item. I'm amazed to learn this, a new technique which will add on in my growth. Thank you so much. Thank you Mangalam for organizing this wonderful workshop.